How to set up PayPal in the Shopify app. To set up PayPal in the Shopify mobile app, open the app in Top Store, then go to Settings and select Payments. Under the PayPal section, tap Activate or Set Up. Shopify automatically uses the email you registered with, but if you want to connect a different PayPal account, you can change the email before continuing. You'll be redirected to PayPal, log in with your business account, agree to the terms, and tap Authorize or give permission. Once done, you'll be taken back to Shopify, where PayPal will now appear as an active payment method. Customers can now pay using their PayPal balance, credit card, or bank account through PayPal Express checkout. This setup is fast, secure, and helps improve conversion by offering a trusted payment method without any extra coding or manual setup required. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.